Is it a challenge for your company to deliver projects on time and on budget? With SoftExpert PPM, you manage projects, programs, and portfolios in just one place. Plan projects and clearly set targets and goals that need to be reached. Simply and easily create timelines and activities and set deadlines. Allocate resources as available, along with the skills required for each stage. Distribute the budget needed for each project phase. Perform activities quickly and practically on tablets and smartphones. Monitor projects using Gantt charts and gain visibility into how planned and executive activities are progressing. Ensure deadlines are met by automatically sending notifications to those responsible for executing activities. Manage risks and prevent them from compromising achievement of project goals. Use portals such as the communications channel and ensure that the entire project team is on the same page. Keep track of status, financial notes, deadlines, and other project indicators in a centralized, secure, and reliable way. Optimize the project time cycle across the entire organization with SoftExpert PPM. For more information, please visit our website, www.softexpert.com, or email us at sales@softexpert.com.